What's up guys, Sam here. Let me tell you about a new way of living in Las Vegas, service residences. If you think service residence sound like a fancy way of saying hotel suite, hold that thought, because it is not at all. So let's start from the top. What exactly is service residence? Think fully furnished apartments, designed like a home, created like a boutique hotel. You've got designer furnitures, full kitchen, in-unit laundry, and the kind of finishes that make you feel like you're living in a magazine spread. But here's the kicker. It is not just about the furniture or the decor. You also get dedicated guest services, housekeeping, and concierge level support. So you're getting the comfort of a home, plus the service of a 5-star hotel. Nowhere does this concept make more sense than Las Vegas. Vegas used to be all about hotels, but there's a growing group of travelers who want the Vegas experience without feeling like living in a hotel 24/7. That's where luxury service residences come in, especially for people who are here for work, extended stays. Even a nice hotel room in Vegas can feel a little boxy. You've got your bed, your TV, maybe a floating shelf that acts as a table. Service residence, whole different game. We're talking about full living room, kitchens, private balconies, a place that feels like an actual home, not a weekend rental. And privacy, no room service carts clanking in the hallway at 7 a.m., no neighbor's party leaking through the thin walls. It's your space. Second reason, they are designed for long-term comfort. Hotels are awesome for 2 or 3 night stays, but over a weekend, you start to miss the simple stuff, like a fridge that's larger than a minibar, or a kitchen that you can actually cook real food. Service residences come with all of that. Full kitchen, washer dryer, Wi-Fi, utilities, closets that actually works. It's for travelers who want to live well, not just to stay over. So instead of living out of a suitcase, you're living like you belong here. Third, service but smarter. You still get housekeeping, but on your schedule. It's like having a mini hospitality team just for you, without the front desk drama. Kind of like having your own concierge. And finally, value. Let's be real, Las Vegas can be very sneaky. You see one rate online, but when you check out, there's a service fee here, parking fee there, something there, and you have to stand in front desk and ask them to explain every fee that is. But for service residents, it's a all-inclusive rate that includes not only that I previously mentioned, but also utilities, Wi-Fi, and all that's involved. Service residences, on the other hand, give you much more space, better amenities, and often much lower rate. So yeah, you're getting 5-star living without the 5-star surprises. So who is it actually for? If you're a frequent business traveler, a large company that's working on a large project in the greater Las Vegas and Henderson area, service residences are a no-brainer. Families love it here because of the space. Couples love it here because of the privacy. Digital nomads is almost like having your own new HQ. It's the balance between independence and indulgence. Freedom with finesse. So next time you're heading to Vegas, don't just search best hotel on the strip. Search for service residences and thank me later. Anyway, if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comment, would you ditch the traditional hotel for something like this? My name is Sam Key. I am your service residences expert in Las Vegas. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.